What? I'm back again. I'm gonna be back posting. Instagram is not working anymore.
Hey to W. Francine, can I ask you a question? Sure, anything. Why don't you go back to your own house and stop bothering us?
In short, I'm gonna be learning mangas from mangakas. I don't know how to pronounce that, so don't at me. And I will be showing you what I take from this artist to learn how to discipline myself. And I've been procrastinating a lot. I wanted to learn new things. I think that's the main thing I do on my channel, always learning new stuff. So how are you guys doing? And I don't know what the fuck am I like getting inspiration. Do and how I get them without copying the art style of another artist, which I think happens a lot. It's not about copying an art style, it's about taking some little bits of that piece of that artist that you admire, then incorporate it to yours. Like I used to have some old drawings where I did copy, but I think like for younger artists it's normal. So as long as you don't copy their art style, like literally, like no one's gonna beat their art style. So because art style is something that needs to be you, and it doesn't matter like, oh, I need to be unique. You don't need that because you already yourself is. So I think it's more getting in depth with how you see yourself, bring self-awareness to that, and you need to really get vulnerable with what you like, because that's the only way it's gonna be shining through your style, because your style is basically yourself. So as an artist, the thing I really remind myself whenever I do some art style is that I like see like peace of mind, gonna say, oh, it's from Clyde. You need to be seeing that, even though it can be a simple like a line like that, I'm gonna say, yeah, it's Clyde. You know, I think that's what you need to do, to be honest, to bring like authentic self. Maybe it's what I do like seeing, but you're gonna be seeing an art style, and you don't need to worry about like finding one right away, because you're gonna be only finding that, not yourself. So it's better to learn what you like. It doesn't need to be only artist. As you can see, my style is based also on my experiences in life, what I did go through, what I like to convey on my pieces, which are emotions, and me being a Pisces. No, just kidding. That emotions from my style also black and white works, monochromatic, and I always do that. I think it can express a lot of emotions that I can relate. I just think like that, and I like drawing portraits because you can see the emotions, and me going through mental health stuff, and everybody should take care of themselves. Everyone's feelings are valid, so you need to I was doing that to escape myself, art skills. So that's what we're gonna be talking about, and I've been rambling so much, and I hope you guys learn from these things. Because so many people ask me how do I do this stuff. Maybe this is the part of what I'm gonna be doing, but digital art. But right now I'm getting inspiration from mangas, and I'm gonna count how many times I will be saying that throughout the video. Becoming more like anime, and I didn't really like that, even though it was cool, but it wasn't me. As you can see, my art style was more dark, and I wanted something that punches through, and I do the stuff like with the eyes, like with emotions, and I put, yeah, I draw this girl, I draw this girl right here with like this stuff and the mouth, and I got inspiration from that from an artist called Lee, and he's really talented. He's doing like great portraits with charcoal. I'm gonna link everyone so you can see what my art style comes from and what I do take from my line art stuff. I did get inspiration a few years back with Ro Gomez, which was like the artist I did really love, and also because of Fifth Harmony, and I was getting into that. I was into the fandom things, and I was a stan, as you can say, and I did know her because of Lauren Jauregui, which is incredible artist and musician, songwriter, but she also talks about important things from line art. And then Eric Anthony also with painting, or this one that Stop Asian Hate. I did some small comics of my experiences as a nation living in a different country, and that's it. And this is my art style I'm talking about. I want it like this, but in a form of anime mix with this type of style, as you can see right here, the eyes. So I think it gives some emotions. I really like that. So for example, the first thing I get inspired by this piece is actually this girl right here, as you can see on this image, and I have on Pinterest. I'm gonna search the girl. You're gonna see my mood board. I don't remember. Yes, this girl right here. I took inspiration from, because I really like how the characters looks like right here. Like it's so like cool and cynical in a sense. And yeah, this piece, like I'm in love with this piece, and I found like another artist which name is I'm gonna say what inspiration I do get. I'm gonna go on my phone. I don't remember the name. Before I was getting into more like popular ones, the ones that you can always see. This is Moses.jpg. One thing I like about the artwork of this artist is that the eyes they do have, and how they draw characters, but also I think that's because of the mangas I've read. I'm not gonna spoil what I'm reading, so that's a secret. So I was getting inspiration from that, the eyes, the circle, like they go like this. I'm gonna draw here, so the eye. What the fuck am I drawing? So this eye right here, and they go circles right here. I like that kind of vibe. And at first on my art style was some images on the manga page. I did draw, did a rough sketch, but I wanted to learn how the comics works, like here, and how the flow works, because I think I don't know how to explain. So this stuff is so hard to explain. I wanted to learn more of the flow of the artwork, and I didn't. Of course, I wouldn't like. This is just how would I approach how I get inspiration from, and I really like the opposite sides. Like this one is black and the white hair, and my art style is more doing some opposite stuff, so black and white my art is based on, and I do live by, and there's no gray in between. So I'm gonna explain also what my art style is. I only did the inking, like rough sketch. I did really like this piece because of the hair, like right here, as you can see. Then also how the composition is laid. I think it's really unique, even though I haven't read like so much. but I really like this, and the cynical look of this face. Like, I don't know how to say this, but we have kids, so the thing I really like is this part right here, the black and white, because I wanted to put some red, some black, like here, like do that, and on my pages I will be creating. Gonna be doing is that I'm gonna be playing around with the colors. So what am I going to be doing is that multiply. I'm gonna put a layer multiply, then color pick these pieces, color pick everything, and on a grayscales, because I don't know still how to do this stuff. And then I'm gonna use the standard brush right here. Comfort zone, and this is cool, like playing around with this stuff. This one like that, like this one. So that's the first part. I'm gonna leave it at that, and if you guys did enjoy the video, please let me know in the comments, because I would like to do more stuff like this, and